Ram and Shyam are two friends who follow very healthy habits. Now, they play together. They also exercise together. Then they study together too. And also, they follow fixed timings for eating their food. But Shyam always keeps falling ill, while Ram is usually very fit. So, what exactly is the difference between the two? Well, Ram took Shyam to a doctor and asked him the reason for Shyam falling ill often. Well, the doctor said that he is not having proper food. Well, Ram said that Shyam always has homemade food. Then why is the doctor saying that he is not having proper food? Well, the doctor explained that he is definitely having homemade food, but he is not having a food rich in different types of nutrients. He is always having the same kind of food. So, some nutrients are going inside his body, but others are completely missing from his diet. So, that is the major difference between Ram and Shyam. Do you see how Ram eats a variety of food? As a result, a variety of nutrients are supplied to his body. While in the case of Shyam, you will see that he eats the same type of food. As a result, he does not get enough nutrients inside his body. And so, he is suffering from a number of diseases. Now, what are these diseases called, which are caused by the shortage of certain nutrients? Well, we call such diseases deficiency diseases. So, what exactly are deficiency diseases? Well, diseases that are caused by dietary deficiency of specific nutrients, especially a vitamin or a mineral, due to insufficient intake, digestion, absorption, or utilization of the nutrient. So, when we talk about deficiency diseases, they are caused due to shortage of certain nutrients. Usually those are vitamin or mineral, but they can also be any other nutrient. So, let's see some common diseases which are caused due to shortage of certain vitamins. Now, one such disease is beriberi. Now, what is beriberi? A disease caused by severe lack of vitamin B1 in the body. So, vitamin B1 is a type of vitamin whose shortage in the body causes the disease beriberi. Now, what are the symptoms of beriberi? Well, loss of appetite, weakness, pain in the limbs, shortness of breath, and swollen feet or legs. So, if somebody is showing these symptoms, then that person is suffering from beriberi, and it is caused due to shortage of a particular type of vitamin B, that is vitamin B1. Now, how can we cure beriberi, or how can we prevent beriberi? Well, we can eat such food to prevent beriberi disease. So, what are these food? Well, brown rice, milk, fruits and vegetables, legumes, brown bread, and rice bran are common food which are rich in vitamin B1. And food rich in vitamin B1 helps to prevent as well as cure beriberi. So, if you have this kind of food in your diet, then you will not suffer from beriberi disease, because these are rich in vitamin B1. Now, another disease which is caused due to deficiency of a vitamin is night blindness. Now, night blindness is the inability or reduced ability to see in dim light or darkness. Now, why is it caused? Well, it is caused by the deficiency of vitamin A in the body. Now, how can we cure or prevent night blindness? Well, we need to eat food rich in vitamin A. So, what are some common foods that are rich in vitamin A? Well, pumpkin, acorn squash, cantaloupe, red bell pepper, papaya, broccoli, mango, carrot, kale, sweet potato and apricot are some common food items that are rich in vitamin A. So you will notice that usually food that are yellow in color, orange in color, red in color and dark green in color are rich in vitamin A. So intake of food rich in vitamin A can help to prevent and cure night blindness. So you will notice that fruits and vegetables that are yellow, orange, red and dark green in color usually have high vitamin A content, and if you eat those, your body will get sufficient supply of vitamin A. So intake of food rich in vitamin A can help to prevent and cure night blindness. Now, another disease which is caused due to vitamin deficiency is rickets. Now, what is rickets? Rickets is a childhood bone disorder where bones soften and become prone to fractures and deformity. And it is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin D. Now, what are the symptoms of rickets? Well, delayed growth, bow legs. So, the legs are bow shaped. That is, they are bent in such a way that they resemble a bow. So, you see the bent in these legs, even these hands have deformity, that is bone deformity. So, you have delayed growth, bow legs, weakness as well as pain in pelvis and legs. Now, let's see how our body can get sufficient supply of vitamin D so that we do not suffer from rickets. So, the most important source of vitamin D is sunlight. Our body produces vitamin D when it is exposed to sunlight. And apart from that, we can also have certain food items such as fatty fish, mushrooms, sour cream, yogurt, milk, butter and egg yolk. So from these food items too, we can get vitamin D. So exposure to sunlight and intake of food rich in vitamin D can prevent and cure rickets. Now, another disease which is caused by deficiency of particular vitamin is scurvy. Well, it is a disease caused by a severe lack of vitamin C in the diet. So, this is another type of vitamin which is vitamin C, and its deficiency in the body causes scurvy. Now, what are the symptoms of scurvy? Well, you will see that the person has pale skin, sunken eyes and loss of teeth. So, once you see these symptoms, you will know that the person is suffering from scurvy, that is deficiency of vitamin C. Now, what are the food items that can help prevent and cure scurvy? Well, all the items which are rich in vitamin C can help us prevent and cure scurvy. So, what are these items? Well, oranges, spinach, strawberry, blackberry, lemon, tomatoes, cauliflower and broccoli are common food items that are rich in vitamin C. So, intake of food rich in vitamin C can help to prevent and cure scurvy. So, now can you answer this question? Scurvy is a disease caused by the deficiency of, is it vitamin B1, is it vitamin D or is it vitamin C? What do you think? Well, the answer is vitamin C. Scurvy is a disease caused by the deficiency of vitamin C. So you see, deficiency diseases are caused due to lack of one or more nutrients in the diet. When certain nutrients are missing from our diet, then we suffer from various deficiency diseases. Also, having a balanced diet is important for preventing deficiency diseases. And a balanced diet contains a proper balance of nutrients such as vitamins, minerals, proteins, carbohydrates, and fats. And that is why it is recommended that we have balanced diet to prevent various deficiency diseases. So, what are the different types of deficiency diseases we learnt about today? Well, we learnt about night blindness, which is caused due to deficiency of vitamin A. What are the symptoms? Low visibility in dim light or darkness. And how can we prevent or cure night blindness? Well, we can have fruits and vegetables that are dark green, yellow, orange or red in color. Now, apart from that, we also learned that deficiency of vitamin B1 causes beriberi. Now, what are the symptoms of beriberi? Loss of appetite, weakness, pain in the limbs, shortness of breath, swollen feet or legs. These are the symptoms. And then, what are the food items which can help us prevent and cure beriberi? Cereals, fruits and vegetables, and milk. These are the food items that can help us prevent and cure beriberi. Now, next is scurvy. Now, scurvy is a disease which is caused by the deficiency of vitamin C. The symptoms are pale skin, sunken eyes, and loss of teeth. And food rich in vitamin C are dark leafy green vegetables and citrus fruits. And then we come to deficiency of vitamin D. Deficiency of vitamin D causes a disease called rickets. And symptoms are delayed growth, bow legs, weakness, and pain in pelvis and legs. Dairy products, fatty fish, and mushrooms are common food items that supply vitamin D to our body. Now, apart from these food items, vitamin D is also produced in our body when our skin is exposed to sunlight. So, that is also a major source of vitamin D for our body. So, when you have proper supply of all these vitamins in your body, then you can prevent deficiency diseases such as night blindness, beriberi, scurvy, and rickets. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge, or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English, and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.